In this video, I'll show you how to create an ACI eManifest with an In-Bond shipment using BorderConnect on your mobile device. A Canadian In-Bond shipment allows for the inland movement of goods that have not yet obtained a customs release and are usually destined to an inland bonded location or sufferance warehouse in Canada. These shipments can only be transported by a carrier who is either Canadian bonded or are transporting the shipment on behalf of a Canadian bonded carrier using a single trip bond. To learn how to become a bonded Canadian highway carrier, tap the link at the top of the video now. Once you're logged in, tap the menu icon, then tap ACI eManifests. Then select Start New ACI eManifest. We'll begin by entering the trip details, starting with a unique trip number that starts with your company's carrier code. Next, we'll enter the first Canadian port of entry. And when you see a magnifying glass icon, that means BorderConnect will automatically look up the information for you. Ports can be assigned by entering the port code, the name of the Canadian port, or the opposite US port. Since this is going to be an in-bond shipment, tap Show All on the top right, and the sublocation field will appear. In the sublocation field, a sufferance warehouse code will need to be entered. Sublocations can be easily assigned by entering the sublocation code or the name of the warehouse. Now enter your estimated arrival date and time. Here, trucks, trailers, and drivers can be quickly assigned. Trucks and trailers by entering the unit number or the plate number, and drivers by entering the first few characters of the name of the driver. We've completed adding the trip information, so we'll move on to entering the shipment details. So scroll to the bottom and tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. And since there's an in-bond shipment that needs to be created, tap Save and Start New ACI Shipment. Here, starting from the top, select your shipment type. It's currently set to a PARS as that's the most common shipment type, but since this is an in-bond, tap the shipment type and change it to an in-bond. Next, enter your cargo control number. And if you're hauling another carrier shipment, just tap the carrier code to change it. And below, you'll enter the sublocation code again, which will be the same code you entered when entering your trip details. After you add it, the release office is auto-assigned. Now enter the shipper and consignee details of the shipment below. You can look up the shipper or consignee by entering the first few characters of the name or the address. And if you need to add a new consignee, just tap Add Consignee, add the consignee details, and click Save. We're now ready to move on to the commodities on the shipment, so tap Save and Add Commodity. Now enter your description of goods, quantity, and weight. With BorderConnect, you can also automatically generate the required A8A In-Bond Document. So, at the bottom, select Save and back to ACI eManifest. Then, tap Save and back to ACI Shipment. Now on the top, click More, and then select A8A Form. And the A8A form can be printed, faxed, or emailed right from here. And you can see that all the required information is automatically generated. So we'll continue back to the trip details by selecting More, and then go back. Here on the trip details page, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. And if any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do it here. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBSA. So go to the top and tap Sync with CBSA. Your manifest status will be changed to 2 yellow bars, transmitted. And after approximately 2 to 3 minutes, CBSA should accept your manifest and the status will then move to 3 blue bars on file with CBSA. It'll remain at that status until the driver arrives at the first port of arrival. And when the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, arrival reported at border, and lastly, when the sufferance warehouse releases the in-bond shipment from their warehouse, will change to 6 green bars, released. Congratulations! You successfully created an ACI eManifest with an in-bond shipment using BorderConnect on a mobile device. This type of trip and shipment is usually completed within about a minute or two, and of course if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. And to learn how to create an ACI in-bond shipment from a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.